Hello everyone, hope all are you well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Node.js on Ubuntu or Ubuntu server. So there are many ways to install Node.js on Ubuntu or Ubuntu server. So basically, there are three main primary methods into install Node.js on Ubuntu, depending on whether you need system-wide stability, specific newer version, and or the availability to manage the multiple version. Okay, first of all, I install Ubuntu server using my virtual machine manager. Here you can see my Ubuntu server. Now I'm gonna connect this Ubuntu server using SSH. Yeah, the Terminus application. Okay, so this is server. Okay, let's permit it. So now we need to update our package. Okay, it takes some time. Basically, it's depending on your internet faster connection or your internet stability. Now I'm gonna show you Ubuntu default repository, the simplest way. Basically, this method entails the version package by Ubuntu, which is stable and receives security update through the standard system update process. And on Ubuntu 24.04 and the 26.04, this provide Node.js version 8 or version 18 or version 22 respectively. So on the older version like 22.04 in may provide an older LTS version. Okay, then we need to comment out sudo install mod, and basically we use npm package. Right, it is the simplest way to install Node.js in your Ubuntu machine. We need some time to completely download this package. Also, there are other way like node source repository system wide newer version, and use this if you need specific like current upstream TLS release such as version 22 or version 24 install system wide via apt package. So node source provide package for Krypton or V22, also other. Also the third way, the NVM, Node Version Manager. It's a basically developer choice, and this is the preferred method for developer who need to switch between multiple Node.js version or project. It install Node.js in your account, avoiding the sudo permission issue. Take some time. Okay, it almost download. Okay, now it's finished now, and let's check the node version. So for checking the node version, you need to put this command node. Here you can see the it's version 22.22.1. So the npm at the npm version. Okay, now the node.js successfully installed our Ubuntu server. Okay, that's all. Thank you everyone.